I'm going to demonstrate the bird dog and a variation of that, the bird dog crunch. You may want something to kneel on to protect your knees. So a regular bird dog is where you're extending opposite arm and leg. You want to pause for about a second or two before you switch to the other side. Really engage your core. You also may feel this in your glutes. So that's the traditional bird dog. The bird dog crunch is simply adding a crunch motion when you're bringing your arm and leg to meet in the middle. With this one, I would advise doing all one side at a time and then switch to the other side. You could even have a small hand weight in your hand as you're doing this exercise. So that is the regular bird dog and the bird dog crunch.